Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. So, firstly, you need to locate touch or yes. Touch or key is located at the back side of the earbuds, right here at the top. We have SOUNDPEATS logo. This actually a touch or ear. Now let me play some song, and first let's get started by single press. If you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. I press on it, and as you can see at this widget, I increase it. To lower it, press one time at your left earbud, and as you can see, I just lower it. Okay, next one we have double press. If you double press on your left or right earbud, you will play or pause the song. 1, 2. I just pause the song. 1, 2. And I play a song. Also, with double press, if someone called to you, you can answer the call, and then you can finish the call with also double press. Next one, we have triple press, but about triple press I will tell you later. Now let's move to press and hold. If you press and hold at your right earbud, you will play next track. So, press and hold. And as you can see, I play next track. If you press and hold at your left earbud, you will play previous track. So let's press and hold, and it also works. Also, when someone calls to you, you can press and hold, and you will reject a call. Now let's move to triple press. If you triple press on your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have Apple device, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, so you will call Gemini. Now, 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it works. Now let's move to the left earbud, and let me open the application to show it for you. So, open SOUNDPEATS application. Right here, as you can see, we have game mode. So with this triple press, we can enable or disable game mode. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, I just enable it. 1, 2, 3. And I disable it. The last one is a bonus for you. We have also control at the charging case, right here on the front side. And if you press and hold on it for at least few seconds, you will enter to pairing mode. So this LED light will flashing. And if you press and hold it for at least 10 seconds, you will perform a factory reset with it. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!